It's so crazy what a restart will do. It's been as long of a day as I've expected it to be. I worked for about an hour extra. Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm working from home today, so figured that we could spend the day together. As you can probably tell, I just finished running on the treadmill. I'm training for my half marathon and I ran 2.5 miles this morning. My husband and I took off work Friday and went down to Galveston for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, came back home Sunday evening, and we hung out at the house yesterday. We both took a PTO day yesterday as well. So today was just me kind of getting back into the swing of things. I have a very light week on the running plan this week because I have a 5K on Sunday, but I have about 30 minutes before I need to sit down for work. So I'm gonna strip our bed, throw our sheets in the washer, and then get in the shower, quickly get ready before I need to sit down for work. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to quickly get ready. As you can see, I'm already dressed. Me getting ready is going to consist of a little bit of moisturizer, a tiny bit of concealer, and some blush. I'm going to quickly make a cup of coffee and then sit down for work. Like I said, I have a really busy day today. It was a busy week to start with, and I was off last Friday and then yesterday, which was Monday. So I have a lot to catch up on in general. Alright, I have my water and I have my coffee. I'm gonna go sit down and work for a while, and then I'll check back in whenever I'm ready for breakfast. I just want to say it's so crazy what a restart will do. I came and sat down on my computer. I have 2 monitors and my laptop screen. Just my laptop screen was working. My 2 monitors weren't turning on. Mind you, again, I hadn't worked since Thursday, so my computer needed to do an update. Well, I'm getting frustrated at my computer, thinking that I should have worked from the office today. I restarted my computer, and what do you know? Everything turns on. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a long week, but it's gonna be a good week. I have a meeting in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna heat some breakfast up real quick. Nothing special, I'm just gonna have a little Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich. Here's breakfast. Again, nothing fancy, just a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant from Jimmy Dean. I'm gonna sit back down, eat this, have my meeting. Immediately after my first meeting, which is an hour, I have training to do. I'm still onboarding the new hires on our team. Like I said, a busy day, but I'm making the best of it. It's been as long of a day as I've expected it to be. They came and repaired our windshield, got damaged on our trip. I've been sitting at my desk all morning. It's now 1:30 and I'm gonna get some lunch. I made this Southwestern chicken pasta salad for my husband and I to have for lunches this week. I'll insert the video of me making that here. But I'm just gonna scoop some of this up, enjoy my lunch on the couch, play on my phone, and then get back to work for a little bit longer. I just got off of work. I worked for about an hour extra because I had something that I needed to wrap up this evening. Now I'm gonna prepare everything for my next 2 days in office. I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl with some fruit. That'll be my breakfast, and then for lunch, I'm gonna have the same thing that I had today, that Southwestern chicken pasta salad. But I'm gonna get everything prepared, and I'll show you everything at the end. So for breakfast, my yogurt bowl, the yogurt is plain Greek yogurt, honey, chia seeds, Clean Simple Eats vanilla protein powder, For the fruit, I have some strawberries, mango, blueberries, and raspberries. And then I have a little container of this homemade high protein granola that I made. It's oats, honey, brown sugar, a little bit of maple syrup, the same Clean Simple Eats vanilla protein powder. I combined all of that and baked it at 325 for about 30 minutes, and it's really good. For lunch, like I said, I have that same Southwest chicken pasta salad, and then I have some salt and vinegar Cape Cod potato chips as well. That'll be my breakfast and lunch for tomorrow. Now I'm gonna hang out and eventually go outside and cook some steak on Blackstone. My husband ended up grilling steaks for dinner, and then I made some fried potatoes and mac and cheese. I wasn't gonna make the mac and cheese from scratch. I thought we had a box here in the pantry, but we didn't. So I did a little makeshift homemade mac and cheese situation. It ended up turning out really good. We've been hanging out on the couch since we had dinner. I'm about to have some cookies and milk and then go to bed. If you've watched this long, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.